Sundan niyo ganda, Melissa. Thank you, Maisa. Hello, Maisa. Yes. Alibot, welcome. Okay lang po. I'm India but live in your heart. Mashallah. Oh, really? You draw me? It's so difficult because I'm moving. But live in heart. Alibot, welcome. Oh, diba? Tinadrawing niya ako. Kay Kata na sige. Hi! Her my girlfriend. So, Dani Uganda? Ano? No, I don't speak. Dalaga ka pa ba? Yes or no? Yes. No, I'm not totally dalaga. I have one son, but only married like that. Oh, mashallah, they draw me. Kahit picky o kam. I wanted. Hello. Oh, see, he drew me. Mashallah. Masud ka. Imran kang tawag dyan. May big problem. Mangsud ka, welcome. Why do I want... Oh, drawing talaga ako. 4G. Ay, ang galing niya. Ang galing niya mag-drawing. No, because I'm watching her drawing. That's why. I'm watching. Artist, how old are you? Hindi niya ako natin. Artist? Adgar Uday Dubai, welcome. Galing. Hindi na talaga ako makakapagalaw. Kasi dinadraw niya. Welcome, welcome. Your eyes get low, really? I know my eyes is no good now. Can you see my message? No, it's a message, not you. just kidding. Paradox, welcome. Can you see my message? Of course, I will see your message. Hi, Paradox. Nice, thank you. I'm good. How about you? I'm good too. Hi, Ayan. I'm good, I'm good. I'm just watching her drawings too. Really? I don't think so that my eyes is killer. My eyes is innocent. I will go down. I mean in the room. It's too much hot there in the rooftop because I go in rooftop, but then I go inside here in my room. Wow! Thank you.
What?
Thank you. It's nice na. Thank you. Artist, you want a game or no?